Would you like to be a coach that everybody wants to play for? A coach that keeps every player wanting more and more. A coach that is considered to be one of the greatest influences on an individual's life? Do you want to give back to the next generation something that is lifelong and positive? Do you want to coach the right way with the best model known to mankind? Hi, I'm Coach Hall, and welcome to Sports Coaching University. This course will cover the best known models in sports, and I'm talking about the LTAD and the SDS. Perhaps you've heard one or two of these models, but together, when you combine them, and that's what we're going to be doing in this course, you will have access to the greatest coaching program ever. When you put these two models together, you will be able to answer an affirmative yes to all of the questions that I posed at the beginning of this video. Yes, you'll be a coach that every player wants to play for. And yes, you'll be a coach that every player will leave going, I want more, I want more. And with these two programs put together in this course, you will be the coach that will have a huge influence, a great influence. And somewhere down the line, this child, this individual that you've coached will look back on this experience and that time that you spent with them in a very fond and enlightening way. And yes, you will be making a huge difference in the next generation. With this course, we're going to be shaking things up. We're going to be looking at the models that are currently put into use within the youth sports community. So we're going to talk about how we can go about changing the culture. Is having a detrimental effect on those that participate. This concept is not a one sport or one type of sport formula. It applies to all types of coaching. So come join me in the next lesson as we get you closer and closer to becoming what I like to call an optimal coach, the coach that every player wants to play for.